These days, we can record anywhere. App stores have the tools you need to keep creating, even on your mobile device. Let's take a closer look at GarageBand. Today, I'm using my iPhone 8 Plus. GarageBand gets underrated because of its big brother Logic. It's still real cool for sketching out ideas quickly or while on the go. We're gonna dive in. We can create a new session here. This saves to your iCloud by default, but you can move the GarageBand for iOS folder to another location if you like. I'm used to setting up my session first. I select a key, a scale, then I find a nice tempo to start with. A loop button at the top right of the screen is for sample-based producers. GarageBand's library offers all kinds of loops in various genres. There's different instruments, sound kits, and options for each. Let's create a melody to get things flowing. Tap once to listen. Press and hold, then drag into the edit window to add it to your session. Some instruments have a smart feature that creates chords and progressions based on the key and scale your session is in. Instruments also have a piano roll and realistic frets to create just like a musician would. This is one of my favorite tools to use to develop melodies. GarageBand is compatible with a lot of plug-and-play MIDI controllers. For now, we'll create using only the app itself and some infamous iPhone earbuds. The little red button starts the recording. 8 bars is set up for you by default to record instruments and vocals. The plus sign at the top is where you can adjust the length. The choices of drums help us play, sequence, or automate patterns. We're going to go ahead and choose a kit I can create a groove with. Now that we have some drums, we can lay some vocals. Don't be discouraged if you don't have a Neumann microphone or a state-of-the-art recording booth. Don't underestimate the power of your earbuds either. I want to share a technique I use to record demo tracks. With both earbuds in, hold the cord so the mic is level and in front of your face. The easiest way I've found is to use my index finger and thumb to pinch where the right and left cables meet. The less slack the cord has, the more consistent the sound is. GarageBand has anything you might need for a solid mix. It also supports third-party plugins and virtual instruments. You can even use Antares Auto-Tune. I'll go ahead and add something a little trappy to our beat here. My watch said it's big time. Every time it's big time. They got what we get now. Big come up, it's a big fight. Big bag, big wheels. Big movies, big scenes. Big team, big thrills. Big bills, big bills. My watch said it's big time. Every time it's big time. They got what we get now. Big come up, it's a big fight. Big bag, big wheels. Big movies, big scenes. Big team, big thrills. Big bills, big bills. So there you have it, a full track on your phone. Save it as a ringtone, a song, or send it to your computer to polish up. Music production is more accessible than ever. Let's keep the conversation going. What has been your experience with GarageBand? Drop something in the comments below. If this video helped you, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Share with your friends who might find this useful. Stay inspired. Peace. Big time. Every time it's big time. They got what we get now. Big come up, it's a big fight. Big bag, big wheels. Big movies, big scenes.